You have here the synopsis and we have here the logline. We can write, of course, your own synopsis. You can write, or you can use AI for write your own synopsis. You can also use the AI assist for change in every way possible. It will use also the logline that you already wrote as a context for the new writing. So you can also change it in a more poetic way, and it will change it in a more poetic way. Selecting something in the story, you can press Alt and you can ask for change it or make it in any way possible. It's AI, so you can ask whenever you want. You all knows AI, you all use ChatGPT or Claude or whatever. So it will change your word or anything you ask for. As you can see, there is the context, and that you can select the context in any way possible. You can select different sources or can be automatically selected. Same things as for the subject. And we create all these pages in order to go one by one through everything. We save it, we go in the outline, and we have the outline that we created before. Now we are in the treatment page. You can use AI as well to create treatment, or you can write it, or you can copy and paste it. There is no limit to your creativity. So, and it will write the treatment of the story scene by scene. So, now we have here the reference page. The reference page is basically where all the asset lives, and you can play with them. You can click on one of them. You will open a board and you can play with the board until you get all the reference and all the images that you need. Let's upload an image in our board. As you can see, we have here the gallery. That is the image that are crucial for the character. There are the right one. And here we have all the rest is just inspiration, and we use for inspiration. And if we press Alt, we can generate any image, and we can also select the context for the generation of the image. If we press on an image and we press Alt, we can extract the prompt from the selected image, and we have a full prompt of the image. So we can select the quantity, the aspect ratio, and now we have the prompt of the image that is extracted. We can enhance the prompt, and we can ask, like, make hair blonde, and we can enhance the prompt. We can go to the context. We can select what we want inside the context. I will put the logline and the subject. I will select her as a reference, as an inspiration, and I will generate the two images. And now we have the character of our story. Great. So now we know how to put images as a reference and create images and play with that. Let's go to the screenplay part. The screenplay part is basically a place where you can edit your screenplay. It has the same shortcuts as any screenplay software. You can find them here in the Help tab. Every time you select anything, you can press Alt and you can add it as a character or as a location. If you have an asset that is just another version of another asset, you can just drag and drop it and you create a new variant. Of course, there is the copilot as well, like before. And yeah, every time you create a new scenes with a new asset, with a new location, it will create the new location inside here, and you can drag and drop it in order to keep the old versioning of everything always inside here. As you can see, we have our character, our location. If we click on Sydney and we go in the gallery, we see all the gallery with the image we select. If we go to open board, as you can see, we are here again, the Sydney board. Let's go to the storyboard page. Here you have all the screenplay. Here you can select, like, is a wide shot. You can select the duration. I will put 5 seconds, and we can generate a new shot. We can go to the AI board. It's the same board as before. The only difference is that it's for the shots or for the scenes, and you have the scene asset gallery here, and you can select what do you want to import. Let's import just Sydney. Let's just press Alt. Let's go in the context. Let's put the shot description. Let's put the camera. Let's put the project context. We don't care, but we care about the log line. Let's do to quantity, HD. We can just type something that we might like make the first shot of the scene. And they generate the first shot of the movie. I like this one. Let's do a close-up of this. Close-up. We can apply this to the panel. We can create a new panel always inside the same shot. And in this second panel, we can apply this. So will be like a camera movement. Will be way more similar to a camera movement. So let's close it. Let's go here and we have this.